Have you ever done things that you knew were not in your best interest, but yet you did it anyways? Have you ever wondered why you do that? Welcome to Rich Liberation, because in today's video, we are going to reveal exactly what you need to know about your unconscious mind. Now, you believe that you are in control, but it is actually your unconscious mind that runs the show. The oldest part of your brain, often referred to as the reptilian brain, is designed to keep you safe. It will quickly scan the area and the objects around you to determine if you can mate with it, eat it, or if you will be harmed by it. Let's dig a little bit deeper and understand the key features of your unconscious mind. Number one, your unconscious mind cannot distinguish between what is real and what is false. A prime example of this is if you're watching a movie and it's a scary movie. Perhaps you're watching Friday the 13th or Nightmare on Elm Street, a really scary movie. Consciously, you're aware that it's fake. It's only a movie. It's only projected on the theater screen or on your TV. But why is it then that you feel the fear when a scary scene comes up? It's because unconsciously, your unconscious mind cannot distinguish between what's real and what's false. The next thing you have to know about your unconscious mind is that it often deletes the negative. So, for example, many great NLP practitioners, NLP stands for neuro-linguistic programming, use this to their advantage. Sales professionals also understand language. Let me give you a prime example. Have you ever watched the Tony Robbins Netflix special? The title is called I Am Not Your Guru. Now, Tony is a master at neuro-linguistic programming. Now, say that sentence and delete the negative. I am your guru. And Tony has proven it time and time again because he has made hundreds of millions mentoring people around the world. Same thing also holds true with young children. For example, have you ever had a toddler or a young child and you tell them not to do something? Don't touch that hot stove. And yet, what do they want to do? They want to go out and touch it because you brought attention to the stove, but they delete the negative on an unconscious level. So where your focus goes, energy flows. Another thing that's very important to discuss is when people want to create new habits, when they want to make a change in their life, they often get this wrong. For example, let's say you're a smoker and you're a chain smoker and you smoke a pack a day, but yet you understand that it's detrimental to your health and you want to quit smoking. You might set a goal like, I want to quit smoking. But again, your focus is on the negative. Rather than focusing on the negative, which is just going to attract more of that into your life, it's better to focus on the positive side of that result. So there's a major difference between I want to quit smoking, which is just going to attract you to the smoking, versus I will breathe fresh air from this day forward. Now you're focused on only breathing fresh air, which automatically deletes the smoking. Same holds true for your bills. Many people that struggle financially are always focused on paying the bills, paying the bills, paying the bills. And what do you attract into your life? More bills, more bills, more bills, because that's what you're focused on. Where your focus goes, energy flows. Now, what if you just focused all that energy on making more money, serving more people, delivering value to the marketplace, which in turn creates revenue streams for you? If you have more money, what happens to the bills? They go away. They get paid automatically, on time, every time. Next, your unconscious mind absorbs everything. It absorbs the TV, the radio, your friends, your teachers, your preachers, your parents, etc. That is why you'll often hear many very, very successful people suggest that you need to be careful with who and what you listen to and who you surround yourself with. Your unconscious mind, remember, cannot distinguish between what's real and false, and it takes it in. So you want to make sure that the people you're listening to are actually providing you with good, valuable information that's going to enhance your life and help you achieve your goals. Next, your unconscious mind will try to rationalize everything. Let me break down that word. Rationalize. So your unconscious mind will try to take things and make sense of it, even though those things that it's trying to make sense of, it's trying to rationalize, are not helpful. This is very detrimental to your success in all areas of your life. And in order for you to improve upon this, you first must understand it. And finally, your unconscious mind does not like anything new or unfamiliar. That is why many people remain stuck in their comfort zone. They cannot grow their money. They cannot expand their horizons. They will not get out and explore the world because they're afraid. You see, their unconscious mind instills all of this fear because remember, its goal is to protect you. It's to keep you safe. And if you stay inside your comfort zone, well then, your mind thinks that you are safe. However, this is detrimental to your financial independence and to your life as a whole. Because if you never step outside your comfort zone, you can never have rich liberation. If you're finding value in this content, do me a favor and smash that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Of course, share this with other people that you think need to hear this content and comment down below. What are your thoughts on the unconscious mind? Now that you understand how the unconscious mind works, I want you to use that to your advantage. Go out there, turn your dreams into your reality. We believe in you. And until next time, stay rich, stay liberated.